Hi, I'm George from Curry's PC World, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Duo. Now here are my top 3 features of this exciting new device. Firstly, the high-res AMOLED dual fusion display with Pixel Sense. Secondly, the 5 versatile screen modes thanks to the revolutionary 360-degree hinge. And finally, the combination of Microsoft 365 and Android. The first thing I notice when I take the device out of the box is that it has Gorilla Glass around the outside, which is a really nice feature because it means there's going to be no scratches and it's going to be protected. Another nice feature is that it's really thin, which means it can fit in your pocket. I can see the 11 megapixel camera, which is great for recording in 4K, and I can see the power and volume buttons and the fingerprint reader. So inside the box, you have a Surface Duo bumper, which is a protective casing for the edges, a SIM card tool, a power supply, and a USB-C charging cable. Now the device has a battery life that would last a full day. However, if you ever forget to charge it, it also has fast charging. When you open up the device, you can see the hinge is solid, so it will stay put in whichever mode you put it in. Each single screen is a high-resolution 5.6-inch AMOLED display, which combine into an 8.1-inch dual fusion display designed by Surface. You can use the device in 5 different ways, so it makes it versatile. You can have it as a single screen, like a phone, in compose mode, like a laptop or tablet. You can put it in temp mode if you're watching a film. You can put it in book mode if you're browsing through apps. And you can use it as peak mode if you want to quickly check your notifications. As I mentioned earlier, this device has all the power of Microsoft 365, but with all the Android apps on the Google Play Store. All these apps are perfectly optimized and ready to go on the Surface Duo. When it comes to the Microsoft 365 and Android pre-optimized apps, the dual fusion display really lends itself well. For example, when I'm about to write an email on Outlook, I've got the top screen which shows what I'm writing, and the bottom screen acts as a keyboard, so it's really easy and quick to use. This device is perfect for multitasking. On one screen, I could be browsing through YouTube, finding something to watch, and on the other screen, I could be checking my calendar to see when I'm next free. And if I want to rearrange anything, I can simply swipe up and click on another app. This device comes in 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, which is plenty of room to store all the apps you need. It really is a perfect blend of a tablet, a laptop, and a phone in its software and hardware. If you want to find out more about the Microsoft Surface Duo, then head to Curry's PC World online or chat to us on Shop Live.